Tonight we will have dinner at a restaurant.
Please walk slowly.
Let's look at the menu.
Anna, look at me.
You are funny, Tom. We want soup and fish.
Hey, look! The table is shaking!
Oops, the menu fell off.
Hey, be careful. Please be gentle.
Wow. What is that? Hey, it looks like the tail of a crocodile. I gotcha. We got yeah. Bang, 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 bang. Reno, Annie, well, like.
Whoa, the table is moving!
Hey, stop! I can't eat!
I don't like this. No, Waldenum. Over there.
What is happening?
I saw there's that count.
No.
Hey, stop what you are doing!
Run! Don't let him catch us!
Hey, stop running! This is a restaurant. Running is forbidden.
I am sorry about that.
I will tell the kids to stop running. Let's go back to our seat. No more running.
Yes, Mom. Get day. Get man. Wouldn't you? Get tack and break them.
Huh? Enjoy the meal.
Here you go, Tom. Eat slowly.
Wow, this soup is so tasty. Hey, your mouth is not clean.
Laughter.
Look, this lobster claw is so big.
Hey, please be quiet.
Sorry about that, Dad. I cannot break it.
Hey, it's too noisy.
Oops.
We make them mad!
Tom, stop smashing. Let Dad do it for you.
Let me do it for you. Let me do it for you.
Thank Thank you, Dad.
Oh. Look! Ice cream is here! Hey, it's mine! No, it's mine!
Hey, stop it. Eat it together.
Hey, who did this? Here come the food! Watch out!
Here come the food.
Watch out! Oh my goodness!
Hey, I've just bought it yesterday.
You should tell your children to be nice. The rice. Sure, I will. Sorry about your dress.
You must pay for all of this. Huh?
I will. I will. Oh no, it's too expensive.
Now, listen carefully. Rule number 1, do not run in the restaurant. Rule number 2, do not be noisy in the public. It will annoy people around.
Rule number 3. You should share the food to each other.
Rule number 4, be polite to everyone and listen to mom and dad.
Now, both of you say sorry to other customers and the cook.
We are sorry. We will be good from now.
We are sorry. It's okay.
We are so sorry about the food. We don't want to be banned from here. I'm so sorry for pulling your tail. It's okay, Tom.
You did good. Now let's eat.
The children have apologized, so you just have to pay half of it.
Thank you. I promise it won't happen again.
The family learned their lesson and had a wonderful dinner. Goodbye, restaurant. See you next time.